I got me a fake seatbelt, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get on a ride like, you know what I'm saying? But I need to sneak it in there, cause I'm gonna be with Shorty going into the park. So if we going through like security and it's in my bag, they're like, what is this? I'm going to a whole prank. But me being a smart, creative intellectual who makes great YouTube video ideas that y'all should subscribe, like, and comment on, I came up with a perfect idea. I'm gonna put the seatbelt on as a belt. It's not like the airport, they don't make you take your belt off and stuff, cause it's not that deep. If you wanna Six Flags, bro, then you thinking too little as a terrorist. Like, I'm finna try to see what I can do. This low-key might be drip too, I can't lie. Like, put my shirt over it. We should be good to stick it in the park. Once we in there, it's green. Watch, like, I'm gonna get her for it. It's gonna be a W prank. And I ain't seen nobody do this, so it should be decent. But yeah, I do got a haircut, so it's like, I thought it was different when I had locks. I had a little more hair on my head, but at this point in the game, when you got a low cut, you finna get on some motion. It gotta be a less than or equal to 3 days old haircut. Like, if your cut is older than 3 days, folks, I ain't gonna lie, you gonna be looking a little dingy. I probably got about like, that was like 12 hours ago, so I got like 60 hours left until I will have to reset and get another haircut, or just quarantine, self-isolate until, you know, I get another one.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's getting hot outside. I'm calling all the fine shit. Oh, fine stuff.
Just don't talk about Kanye West right now.
What? What's up with Kanye West?
Who?
Guys, we're on our way to, I told you where we're going.
Yeah, you can tell.
Six Flags. Yeah, he been on these brakes like I know I'm scared.
If this nigga just stopped, he would die. I'm just being, I'm like, I'm going so fast, I'm going 80 miles per hour. If this nigga just stopped, he would die, we would die, the nigga behind us would die. That's why you gotta be thankful for every moment. You know, live in the present.
Amen, but
You never know. That's why we might as well just kiss. You'll never know we get this shit.
what?
Is the camera on me? See how I'm not laughing?
Okay.
But that's nor here nor there.
Hi.
You're all set.
Thank you. Alright, stay in the car while I talk to them. See how she just do what I say. That's what I'm talking about. You gotta keep your ducks in order. I took the belt off. Now it's in my bag. I think the bag method is a little better because the belt was just slipping. It just wasn't gonna get what it needed to get. So hopefully they don't stop me and take my belongings. We gonna see though. We're gonna go. Hey, how you doing today?
How you doing? How you pronounce it?
Michael?
Michael.
Why she wanna know how to pronounce their name?
Cause I got a haircut and I got wave now.
You trying to say cause she wants you?
Duh.
And I'm gonna choke you out.
That's that freaky shit. I'm down though.
I can't even, like, you're just, we're now in the park. We're walking to the Raging Bull. That's what I want to get on. So we gotta
You can get in line for the merry-go-round. That's not what you pay good American dollars to do, bro.
Unless they have kids or something.
If they have kids and they raising kids the wrong way, like this, I see hella grown-ass people by themselves, bro. They're shaming me.
Why you not trying to talk to me?
I am trying to talk to you.
You haven't talked to me. You just be handing me the camera, make me do the labor, then you take over, do some labor, and we not even talking.
I'm sorry. Stay running and shit. Where you say you want to go to Raging Bull?
Yeah.
I want to go there too. It's my favorite ride.
Yeah. I don't know if I have a favorite, but
You don't know if you got a favorite?
yeah.
I got a favorite.
What?
I'm with it right now.
I don't like the word favorite because that implies there are others, like to choose from.
This game, Waiters, tough shot.
And now they waiting in line for the Wizard. Excuse me. So you just gotta walk through with authority. I'm not gonna walk around niggas who waiting in line for the Wizard, bro. That's embarrassing, bro.
I like the Wizard. Or it kind of gives me a headache, but I like the up and down.
Oh, this is the new shit right here.
Yeah.
That motherfucker look like it'll kill you.
Could you imagine being the first people on it?
The first people on it,
Yeah.
I just wouldn't do that.
Wow.
I'm not gonna be a social experiment.
They already tried it with the fake body.
Hold on, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I hope there's nobody in here. I'm walking in the bathroom. You know? I got it. That's all I needed, bro. She was doing that laughing in the car. She talking that shit like she not my ball, bro. Watch this, bro. I'm gonna fuck her ass up. What? You look good. Can we hold hands? I love you. I'd never do it. That's just not the type of nigga I am. We supposed to be locked in forever. So then we could like just watch all our YouTube videos to see how we came together and shit, and then show it to our kids.
You always say, like, you be talking, cool. You always want to say kids. Like, that throws me off every time. You say it in, like, every video.
Cause you my ball. Better hide your. It look way better when I hold it up. But my arm gonna get tired. They going in a Viper. That's respectable rides. I ain't gonna lie, respectable rides for sure. The Viper, I can respect that 100%.
Is these in your jeans haul?
Oh, in the jean video? Yeah.
Oh, haul? You don't know girl lingo?
I ain't do a jean haul. That's
That's what you
that's
did.
sassy.
You did a jean haul.
That's what you said. I just
He got a jean haul. He has a jean haul on his
Welcome to the Raging Bull.
No,
This
it's
train
a
is leaving
designer
the
jean
station
collection.
in 30 seconds, so please help us out by boarding quickly so we can get you on your way.
it's a
Again, we
jean
got 30
collection.
seconds
No,
to
you
send
be
this
doing
train out, so
It's
please
okay, I
board
watched them
quickly.
because I like to see people
Please
shopping.
move behind the yellow line. The gates are closing. Store all loose articles before boarding. No items may be held
See,
in the
she be trying
hands
to
of
force this
riders.
gay shit, bro. It's
Guests
part of the
must be
agenda.
A few moments later.
I don't remember the rides acting like this.
Let's go on a giant drive.
This is one ride I just never fucked with. This is the only ride I done seen videos of niggas dying online. Spin move, fuck no. I'm not going there. You're not going on it either. I don't want you to die.
I've been on it several times.
And this will be your last
You
time
can't
getting
let
on
one
it.
person define your choices.
I'm not letting one person define my choices. I'm letting myself define my choices. Shit not that fun. I'm not gonna roll the dice. I do enough gambling on Prize Picks, bro. I don't need to do it in the real world, bro. Dang, bro. When you vlog, niggas like hold their arm out like this the whole day. That shit like, you want to get on it for real? I'm asking. It's a yes or no question. That's what you want to get on it?
Why are you long?
Yes, you do.
You made me feel lame.
Okay, come on, let's go.
No.
You just said you want to get on it.
And it's weird.
Nah, you can. It was a little hype thing. I had to make sure you was in the green.
Quiet.
Shit, I'm short too. I have to make sure me.
I'm taller than you though. How do you feel about that?
About you being taller than me?
How do you feel about that?
You're not taller than me.
Sorry.
Wretch.
Hey.
My fault. That was my fault. I don't even know where that came from, bro. That shit. I owe for that. That's my fault, bro. Oh, that's how you know this right ass. It don't even got no seatbelts.
You gotta sit all the way in the back. That is the seatbelt.
Come on, this little bar. Granny on this motherfucker. I'm gonna ride it though.
Yeah, because I said so.
You gonna ride it?
Yeah.
This is a giant swing. Come look at your hair and shit. This ride ass. It's not gonna fuck up your hair.
Look how tall that is. I'm losing all the way in the back. I know. That's so tall.
These little niggas on because they on a 2-man, bro. I see them.
Oh my gosh.
You know why they getting on that shit? They on there trying to get some butt. Shit, me too, twin. Me too, bro. I need a black bag. This bag, like, it's contrasting the colors of my fit, like, and I'm fresh as fuck. So it get to a point where, like, is the blue bag even worth it to hold the supplies if it's not gonna match the fit? That's what I be thinking. I'm trying to walk faster so we can get a good spot on the roller coaster.
There's nobody that can get in front of us.
Shut up! Alright, I'm not gonna tell you again. My fault, right here. Let's hold hands. Let's make up. Let's make up. Come on, bro. I'm sorry, I'm gonna walk slow. Cause there's kids behind us. I was trying to be courteous. Why you not next to me? You behind me.
Oh, Nate. Walking fast like you had somewhere to be.
I do have somewhere to be.
Where?
Our wedding.
What? What'd you say?
Our wedding. Imagine I just threw you over the railing. I would never do that though. Cause I cherish the time I be spending with you and shit, you know.
You cherish what?
The time I be spending with you and shit. Fresh. No cap. Good old head fit. Good old head fit. I'll fuck with it. I think this nigga drinking beer. See, that's why I gotta get locked in for real, bro. This nigga is that excited by himself drinking beer in a fit, bro. Like,
All this damn walking is necessary.
like he talking to himself, but I can't end up like this nigga, bro. Let me lock in, bro. It's too early to drink beer.
11:48.
It's 11:48. Why are you at Six Flags by yourself drinking beer? It's questionable for sure.
Oh shit, you ain't got no driver.
That's what I gotta do, bro. When you get your ball, bro, just bite it. Nobody gonna want a ball with a bite mark.
You bite balls.
I only got one ball. So you trying to make it. That's why I can't even. That's why I stay away from like the trendy shit. Like they had started calling they girls they ball and shit. But I knew that's what you borderline. I knew somebody gonna call it challenge the play. How you 21 and you still a screenager? Like live in the real world. It's kids
You
dying.
literally hold up the screen all day and record yourself. Like you
It's
can't tell me
kids
nothing.
dying.
You do
It's
clothing
kids
hauls. Like leave me alone.
Damn. You fucked. You fucked.
Why you say that?
So it's gonna be a long walk home.
Swag it. Be here to give me a ride, okay?
Come on, you just gotta grab her face and tell her shut that down. Shut that down. Shout out Zeke.
You be the one all this talking and all this. Oh, can they see you? Like,
cut. You shouldn't let me outside. You should kept me in the house, hidden.
It's okay because I'm with you right now.
You know, I just don't. I think I said it on YouTube. It's kind of bad. 773-202. Dun 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 dun. Luna. Looking ass boy. I'll never tell you that shit. Pussy. My fault. That was fake. I ain't even on that. It's like, yeah, we having fun, but I ain't lost sight of the mission, bro. I need to find a ride with a seatbelt so I can do this prank and get this content for y'all. It's like I can only keep this like shit in my pocket. 200 messages from who? 200 niggas, bro. This is why you can't trust these hoes today, bro. I mean, nah, I ain't going. This is why you can't trust today's women, bro. Like, who the hell is texting 200 times, bro? If I'm texting somebody 200 times, I'm giving them penis. So that's the only like assumption I can make, bro.
You leaving me behind?
Good. Talk to your 200 messages.
You're mad. How many followers do you have on Instagram?
I'm a content creator.
How many subscribers do you have?
I'm a content creator.
So why you talking about me? I'm a content creator too.
What type of content? Yeah, that shit ain't shit. No, I'm saying we can get on there. Yeah, this little nigga trying to cut the line and shit. That's good. I fuck with it though. That's good. If I had some niggas up there, I'd do the same shit. Shit, he found a way.
I'm sure they'll eat up those photos.
You trying to get the camera? You trying to get close to it?
Yeah, so about Dreezy. I'm just trying to get close to you.
He was going out the front. This one's gonna be late. We like had something. Is that? Did I mistime my release on that? My fault. Let me log back in. I'm trolling. That was like for the TikTok clip. I wouldn't even.
Wait so long to say you was trolling.
That was for the TikTok clip, bro. I'm clip farming. You know, I'm a real respectable young man type shit. You could tell by my hair. You could tell by my haircut that I wouldn't even try no shit like that. Realistically, that's something a nigga with dreads would do. That's not the type of image I portray these days. Look at me. You take the camera. Something like that. I'm fresh as hell though, like, you know, like, look, go to the shoe, These are empty pairs. You don't even know what this is. I got this for free. I get paid to wear clothes. Do your homework. You coughing on? Get my shit back. You coughing and shit. Sick ass nigga, dude. That's why you can't get everybody your camera, bro. She got Jordans on. She got shorts. She being
It's
fast.
a star. I'm
She being
not.
fast.
And then my shirt. They say liar, cause like I'm just a girl. And the star here, and the star here.
She look good, y'all. I ain't gonna lie.
What?
I said something nice about you. Don't make me take it back.
This shit really like, yeah, my barber really blessed.
He did I.
Your parents did I. I'm sorry. Y'all, the mean ridge is not working. I gotta go back to my old bread and butter game.
I got you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Nah, it's okay. Don't worry. I got you.
I'm sorry. Can we
I
make
bet
that?
he ain't gonna be happy when he leaves.
I'll leave by myself. You leave with me. No? We not on it? It's good. Yeah, when stuff like this happens, I just like turn the camera off and then just like take a pause and then come back and then she'll be happy again. So yeah, we're gonna do that. This camera got good ass battery life. It's one of them rides like you gotta wear like the lever and like a, cause this shit like go upside down all types of stuff. One time I seen somebody fly out of this road.
This right?
They
go
died.
upside down? They don't go upside down.
I have to see about this. I brought a seatbelt. Are you scared? See, my seatbelt's still on. It's under there. Did I get you?
Why would you do that? I was very scared, and I'm holding on to you, but I'm knowing in my mind if this way was the spotlight right now, me holding him on, holding on to him, not doing nothing. But I'm still trying to hold on to you and have a tight grip just in case. You're evil. Oh my gosh.
W.
And I'm like, I held you. You're so weird.
Dang, bro.
And I'm hoping that this orange thing, this thing stays on. Like, you're evil.
See, here's the other part to it.
You're evil. Oh my
Let me put all this shit up before I get in trouble.